Hey, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. So today we're going to do a color split Dutch port. The colors I chose are Copper by Amsterdam. So that's going to be one side of the Dutch port. And then the other side is Amsterdam's greenish blue with phthalo green added to it to push it towards the green side. So those, and that has a little bit of black in it just to deepen the color. This is that shade but without the black. This is zinc white and phthalo green, so I can have a nice light phthalo green. And this is this little piggy pigment sea glass mixed with a dollop of this, just to marry the colors as I like. Then I have some zinc white by Amsterdam, and that's a transparent white. We're hoping for some nice highlights. We'll see. Okay, we're working on a 24-inch by 12-inch deep edge canvas. This is black. I just smeared it around. This is a re-pour. I'll just put this off to the side and get these out of the way, and then we'll start painting. All right, let's just go for it. So here's Copper. Let's see. And I'm going to push that around with my hair dryer. A little heavy, the copper, the metallic copper. So we are going to take this very lightly. I'm probably going to end up picking up some of that black that I spread around. No worries. All right. I'm going to go along the edges now in just a second. So when the metallic base is dry, they get really velvety looking, which I like. All right. And let's throw this down. I'll fix the edges now in a second. Did keep my paint a little bit thicker than I normally do. I really want it to stay and not grow too much after I blow it out. So we'll see how I get on. If you guys want to see how I mix my paints, you can check out the video link in the description underneath this video. Right, I'm gonna speed this up. I'm gonna fix my edges so everything is matching, and then we'll pour. Okay, so I have all my edges covered. The colors are looking nice. This is gonna dry really dark, but I'm hoping that I get that greenish tone to it. And this is going to look very velvety. So now I have to think how I want to lay my colors. I know I'm not going to use any more copper. I may use some of this. I'm definitely going to throw some zinc white in there, and I'm probably going to do that right after. Let's see. We'll go for this. This is that light phthalo green, and I made that with the phthalo green shade and titanium, or no, not titanium white, zinc So you put the zinc white in the cup first and then add just a dollop of your phthalo green. And I'm going to go in zinc white. And some sea glass mix. I was debating on whether or not to blow over and then blow out, but I think I'm just going to go for this. I'm not going to blow out any. I will stick just a little bit of that base color on there just to give some contrast. And I always end up wanting a little bit more of the zinc white. Let's just get that in there. Right, now we're going to blow out. Okay. Let's see. All right, so it's developing. Obviously, I'm happy with it. I might just blow this a little. I don't like that like zigzag thing. Okay, let's see. I like how the cells are like coming over that the greenish blue side. And glad I put the zinc white in there. It gives really cool highlights throughout the piece. If that was titanium white, it probably would have just taken over a little bit more. So this kind of gives a subtle little like some end highlights throughout. So that's fun. I think I'm going to leave it. I was halfway tempted to blow out a little bit more this way, but I'm going to leave it because I'm just going to leave it. And it's still developing. So I'm going to scrape my drips, make sure my edges are good. They should be. I'll scrape my drips and then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up and we'll see what happens from now until then. I'll be right back. So I'm just thinking here, I took a peek at what you guys see and I like that orientation better, but I'm going to keep it like this for you guys. And as well, don't forget to come in for the close-up because from your view, I don't think you can actually see all this like the greenish blue coming through the copper, and it really breaks it up. So come in for the close-up. And then I also wanted to work this corner a little bit. I just want to see if I can get some copper cells like this to come up on the corner. If I don't like it, I'll scrape it and put some more of that color down. So even though I don't really have that much left, but we're gonna try it. And let me just peek. Okay, we're good. So here's some of the copper, and what I plan on doing is throwing some down here. All right, and then adding some of this, the base color. And then just blowing that over to see if we can get some cells. Just to pull in some of that copper, and the cells are happening just, you know, to try and balance it out a little bit. So we're getting some cells. Let's just wait a second. Maybe scrape the drips right away so it doesn't pull them all down. Now I could have even went a little further with the copper, but I didn't. So maybe we will. Definitely growing. I think I'll just leave that corner like that. Will I? Well, see, I want to play more, so I don't know. Where's my zinc whites? I kind of want to play a little bit more. Oh, okay. Let's see. Again, if this doesn't work out, we can always, you know, take that down, scrape that down, and then recover it. No gloves on, so. And a little bit of this, I think I did. Okay, so we'll just blow this way. Okay, I think I like that better. It's just got some of the white and the sea glass and all that. It just kind of brings it together, I think, and it looks like this is kind of way down deep and this is like kind of clouding over. I think it just ties it together. It just brings this copper side over here and it just makes it look like it's meant to be there instead of a big blob of copper. Let me know what you guys think. Should I have done this or should I have left it? Because I'm torn. I liked it both ways. We'll scrape these drips because I don't want to lose all that. So you guys comment below. Stick around for the close-up. Do not leave. You have to see the close-up. All right, be right back. Okay, so I don't know if I like it this way or the other way better. It's a lot of copper. Let me know what you guys think. This is looking a lot more blue. It's actually more green than it is showing on the camera. But I wanted to show you guys just an up close. There's so much like depth in this painting. I love it. And there's that corner that I added. Now I'm going to do a flash on for you guys. Okay, so the sparkle is going to be from the copper and the sea glass. there's the sea glass. And then the copper kind of bleeds in there. Very pretty. Oh, I love that. And you can go, you know, it goes all the way through. Don't know if that'll stay or not. We'll have to see. And that little corner. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Is it too much copper? It's a cool piece, but I'm just experimenting with some different bases. Let me know what you guys think below. If you want to see how I mix my paints, there's a video link in the description underneath this video or at the end screen. And subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for stopping by. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.